Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add home address on Bolt account. So first we're going to go to the Bolt app, then next you're going to click on account. Then you're going to scroll downwards and click on add home address. So you're going to search your location. You guys could choose this on the map as well. So once you find it, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to pinpoint it on the map. Then once you're sure, you're going to click on confirm location. So this helps in ways where it's going to automatically route you to your home. So this is how you do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.